Morning everyone. I am doing a lot of things as usual. It's hard. I'm going to do some meal prepping today. We have another crazy busy week. Actually 4 nights this week we have Little League. And then I have 2 out-of-town doctor appointments plus some other errands to run. So I am going to prepare. It's funny how in the wintertime your body craves hot teas and hot liquids and hot coffee and hot cocoa. And when it gets to be cooler weather, I crave iced tea. So yeah, I have the old Rubbermaid pitcher, and every week I steep iced tea. Sometimes it's just regular black tea, and sometimes I do green tea, and I just steep it right in this pitcher. My mom used to make sun tea. Hold on a minute, I don't have it loose enough. My mother used to make sun tea. Did anybody else used to do that? So what I'm trying to do is a new regimen. This might look really strange to you. Everything I do is pretty much strange. So I've read about the I don't know what they're called, polyphenols, or how good green tea is for you. And that will last me the morning. 40 ounces. I am going to show you how I steep. This is really it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 organic green tea bags and 1 dandelion tea. The dandelion tea is supposed to help with your digestive tract and help you go to the bathroom. So I do anything as opposed to a duodenal switch or SADie surgery or a bariatric surgery patient. I do anything to have help with that. So I put that tea bag in here, and I'm hoping I probably have to run to the sink, especially since I just spilled it on the counter. This is hot tap water. That's a ½ gallon. Bear with me. Bear with me, guys. So, believe it or not, this red pitcher only holds 2 of my 40-ounce cups, which makes sense. So that's it. I put the lid on, and then I sit this aside. And in about a ½ an hour, I'll pull out those tea bags and squeeze them. I'll squeeze them and get every last drop of tea. You don't need to boil your water. I mean, I've been doing this for years to make iced tea. I brew it with hot tap water, let it sit with a tight lid on it in that same pitcher, and then I squeeze out the tea bags and make my tea. Now I'm going to open this back up and squeeze lemon into it, because I've been also doing lemon for my digestive tract. It's good for me, but this is delicious. It needs nothing. The brand of dandelion tea I used was Traditional Medicine's Organic Roasted Dandelion. I read this online, and as usual, I'm an influencer that's influenced. So now I'm rolling my baked potatoes. My oven is on. My meal prep is going to begin. I am going to do, that's what I mean. I don't know whether to tell you videos of things I did before. I'm going to make my traditional weekly banana bread because I have a lot of bananas. The healthy version one. I don't think everybody wants to see that video again. So it's the one I do with Greek yogurt and almond milk, and it's a high protein banana bread that I love. I didn't do enough oils. So I'm just rolling baked potatoes because my oven's going to be on. Hang on a minute. I thought I did enough pieces. I actually have the sheets, but these potatoes are little, so I didn't want to use a whole sheet for a little potato. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 5 traditional baked potatoes, and then I got this big sweet potato. Every week I bake a sweet potato. This one will be cut in thirds, and then that'll be a third of it will be a portion for me. Now, I know if I double foil this, it should be foolproof, but I used an extra big piece. Every week that I do this, somehow my sweet potato leaks to the bottom of my oven. So, that is going in the oven right now. And while the oven is on, those will bake. And you can see I have my air fryer going behind me. I'm telling you, I'm a multitasker. This is my air fryer liner. This is a marked down version of organic chicken wings. So they were marked down to $6. I said, well, I'm buying them because to find organic chicken is tough enough. But I was gonna do chicken wings, and I might as well cook them ahead of time. So I don't know how many's in here. I'm gonna count them right now with you. 4, and I got the most delicious sauce. They might have to be on top of each other for a little while because, all right, I lost count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I'm getting a dozen wings out of this. 10, 11, yep, more. 13, 14 wings for $6. That's a deal. So I'm gonna put them in the air fryer that's heating up, hopefully. And I'll be right back. Let them start. Hang on. Okay. Sorry about that. So I made green tea with dandelion tea. I put baked potatoes in the oven, and I'm making chicken wings in the air fryer. This is nothing. This is the Mayfield, this is everything. Mayfield Grill's honey hot sauce. I either do them or garlic parm. But that's going to be Mayfield Grill's honey hot sauce because that's what I have ready to go. So they take like 30 minutes and then another 20 minutes in that air fryer. I want them done, crispy and done. I am making meatloaf, a banana bread, and chicken meatballs. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for a video for you guys, but I think most of those things you've seen me make, but not the chicken meatballs. This is a brand new recipe, but I'm making them. And they're high protein, 36 grams of protein if you eat 3 meatballs. That sounds like something I'm going to do. So that's my day so far. I'll be back. Nothing exciting. Do you brew your own iced teas? Give me some ideas on what you put in yours. I'm doing anything that helps the digestive system, the skin. Sun and Rain in Johnstown, I made all her teas into iced teas last year. They were delicious. She has a skin glow one. She has a detox one. I love them all. But I'm just trying to do what's good for me, always. So all your ideas, like the dandelion tea I never knew about. Do I love the flavor? It doesn't bother me. I add it with the green tea. I drink it cold, sip it, and I know my body's getting things that are good for it. Chicken wings, high protein. That's going to be, I'm not going to eat them all at one sitting today. The meatballs, the meatloaf. That's going to be for the week, for a couple days. I'll be back.